Hi friends, welcome to VVSM Academy. For the organic chemistry, we have studied so many things in the amines chapter. I would like to conclude this by taking this class today, the test for amines, particularly test for primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines, other type of aliphatic and aromatic amines. Carbylamine is very important test for today's lesson. Well friends, Heisenberg test for amines. The Heisenberg test, which can distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary amines, is based upon sulfonamide formation. In the Heisenberg test, an amine is reacted with benzenesulfonyl chloride. If a product forms, the amine is either a primary or secondary amine, because tertiary amines do not form stable sulfonamides. Note that tertiary amines do not form stable sulfonamides. So this is Heisenberg reagent preparation. Benzene sulfonic acid. This is the benzene sulfonic acid treated with sodium hydroxide in the presence of phosphorus pentachloride. You will get benzenesulfonyl chloride. This is a Heisenberg reagent. This is Heisenberg reagent. This is Heisenberg test. The amine first reacts with benzenesulfonyl chloride in an addition-elimination reaction on the highly electrophilic sulfonyl chloride derivative. After the stepwise loss of chlorine and one proton from the amine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the resulting product is sulfonamide salt of sodium. Sodium salt of sulfonamide. So this is Heisenberg test for aniline. It's an aromatic amine. An aniline reacts with benzenesulfonyl chloride. Remove hydrogen chloride molecule. N-phenyl benzenesulfonamide, soluble in aqueous sodium hydroxide solution. Give sodium salt on N-phenyl benzenesulfonamide and water. This is Heisenberg test for aniline. Mechanism of Heisenberg test for primary amide. Now, primary amine combines with benzenesulfonyl chloride. Here the electrons, electromagnetic effect, that is electron transfer, and you will get to these are the mechanisms of this one, where delocalization of electrons occurs and the elimination of chlorine, and the elimination of hydrogen chloride and alkyl benzenesulfonamide, soluble in aqueous sodium hydroxide. Give sulfonamide salt of sodium along with water. This is the brief mechanism of Heisenberg test for primary amine. Test for primary amines. Conclusion. In this context, the reaction is also known as Heisenberg's isocyanide test. Heisenberg's isocyanide test. In this reaction, the analyte is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide and chloroform. If a primary amine is present, the isocyanide carbylamine is formed, as indicated by the foul odor. Carbylamine is a highly identifiable, intolerable, unique odor. Carbylamine. So it indicated by a foul odor. The carbylamine reaction, also known as the Hoffman isocyanide synthesis. Carbylamine is also known as Hoffman isocyanide synthesis. Is the synthesis of an isocyanide by the reaction of primary amine, chloroform and the base. The conversion involves the intermediacy of dichlorocarbene Illustrative is the synthesis of tertiary butyl isocyanide from tertiary butylamine in the presence of catalytic amount of the phase transfer catalyst benzyl triethyl ammonium chloride. So this is the reaction. Methylamine, chloroform, sodium hydroxide, methyl isocyanide plus 3 NaCl plus 3 H2O. Similar reactions have been reported for aniline also. It is used to prepare secondary amine. Carbylamine reaction mechanism. The carbylamines reaction test used for detection of primary amines. In this reaction, the analyte, that is given compound, is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide and chloroform. If a primary amine is present, the isocyanide is nothing but carbylamine. Isocyanide is nothing but carbylamine is formed, which gives unpleasant smell, foul smell, that is carbylamine odor. This is the mechanism involved in the carbylamine reaction, which is a unique test of primary amines. Thank you for listening. If you like our videos, please don't forget to press bell icon, my dear friends, and wait for our organic chemistry lessons from BVSN Academy. Take care. Thank you. Like, share and